Samsung continues to push boundaries with its flagship smartphones, and the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is no exception. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra was only launched earlier this year, leaks and rumors about its successor have already started swirling. If history is any indication, Samsung is gearing up for another game-changing device with exciting upgrades and next-gen technology. Design and display, a seamless visual experience. Samsung made a bold move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra by transitioning to a flat-sided design, and reports suggest the S26 Ultra will follow suit. The biggest buzz surrounding this device? A potential under-display selfie camera, a first for the Galaxy Ultra series. This innovation could lead to a completely uninterrupted 6.9-inch AMOLED display, offering a peak brightness of 3000 nits for stunning clarity, even in bright outdoor conditions. The shift toward a full-screen immersive experience could set the S26 Ultra apart from previous models and competitors alike. If Samsung pulls this off successfully, it may redefine how flagship smartphones handle front-facing cameras. Next-level performance and processing power. Powering the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to be the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor built on a 3nm process. While Samsung is actively developing 2nm chip production, Qualcomm is expected to stick with 3nm for this generation, ensuring better performance efficiency and battery optimization. On the software side, the S26 Ultra will run One UI 8, built on Android 16, promising an intuitive and feature-packed experience. Expect enhanced multitasking, AI-driven optimizations, and deeper customization than ever before. Pro-level cameras, a photography powerhouse. Samsung's Ultra series has always been synonymous with stellar camera performance, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is no exception. Based on early leaks, it is expected to retain a quad-camera system with 200MP primary sensor, delivering ultra-high-resolution shots with incredible detail. 50MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. 50MP periscope zoom lens, 5x optical zoom, allowing detailed close-ups with crisp clarity. 10MP telephoto lens, 3x zoom, for sharper portrait and zoom shots. The biggest innovation? A rumored 12MP under-display selfie camera, seamlessly hidden beneath the display, eliminating punch holes or notches. If this technology debuts with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it could revolutionize the selfie experience for flagship devices. Battery life and charging speeds. Flagship phones demand all-day battery life, and Samsung appears to be sticking with its trusted 5000 mAh battery. Expect 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, ensuring you can quickly top up power when needed. With Samsung's continued focus on battery optimization, users can expect better longevity and efficiency thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2's improved energy management. Expected release date and pricing. Samsung traditionally unveils its Galaxy S series in January, with sales beginning in February. If this pattern holds, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be revealed on January 21, 2026, and hit store shelves by February 4, 2026. Pricing for Samsung's Ultra devices tends to remain consistent year over year. The base 256GB variant of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to start at $1,199, aligning with previous Ultra models. Higher storage configurations will likely be available, pushing the price upwards. Final thoughts: is the Galaxy S26 Ultra worth the wait? If the rumors hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious flagship devices in recent memory. With a next-gen chipset, stunning AMOLED display, groundbreaking under-display selfie camera, and powerful quad-camera setup, it's set to be a serious contender in 2020's premium smartphone market.